marriage in fact 99% of marriage I get dissolve here all over the world. In fact owu na read mind e bia no lele digi no lu nwunye ga no lu una ba ku onwu na ya the highest ogu na medicine dị n'ụwa iridie mind onye iridie iwe ọ na-eti iridie your imeketa menyi ya agba ọsọ ị na-eridi your partner ibe bia n'isi ịpala akpa ịgba wuo because 90% foundation was built on pretense, everything lies, fallacy, ashi. Ima the level of discipline all you take in for one money, you man na no one couple ya. Ima the level of discipline follow now digging our Lexus, obele Lexus, when you also park alligator over outside. Hello, fine girl, how are you? Come, let me drop you. Even when you no julo ga fega mapu the motor. I take my card. You do the card. Even if you do the card, it's only for the man. Even if you want to dig a cogono. You did hello, sir. You remember me? It's Miss. You gave me your number. I said, where are you? You say, I'm around, sir. Do you know this place? You say, I'll send you Uber. Otago go give you that. Mugu. If you can't prepare, go. The worst person he can make even know what after narcissists were pretender. Somebody can make or can make you at your lowest point. In all the phone number today now, man, naturally pionya this year. Yala pio this month. Onya we obago intention. Imagoli intention. One your buna magolu woken the lion, imagolu to lion woken enegi. If I had the number, if I go the number, save one. Some of you need save number na draft.